Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT memory full issue. In this case, as you can see, I have a lot of chats here, and if you want to delete or to clean memory, in this case of ChatGPT, you will have to go here in your profile and click on settings and click on personalization. As you can, as and as you can see, I have 100% full, like yes. Um, how I can clean my memory in this case? Well, you can click here in Manage Save Memory and click on Delete All. Click on Delete All to delete some chats here that take off a lot of space. Click on Delete All. Clear memory in this case. Okay, and it says memory cleared. Okay, and then go back. Let's see to the personalization, and we will now have successfully cleared our memory, as you can see. So that's it, guys. This is the tutorial. I hope you like this video, and if you want, please leave me your like and subscribe also. And if you have any concerns or doubts, you can put them below here in the comments. And see you next video, guys. Ciao, ciao.